Hey traders, welcome back. I just wanted to follow up on my last video about TradingView and the value areas and also the volume weighted average price. So you need to also go into your ProjectX, which I'm using top 1 futures and the ProjectX platform for my trades. So we'll go ahead and we'll start changing this right away. I go yellow from the previous day to blue, and then my blue is going to turn to a light blue. The red is going to go to pink. And like I said, since we don't have Monday or Sunday's pre-market price action yet, that's normally where I'd anchor the new red VWAP, and then also on the New York Open we would put a yellow VWAP. So I'm just going to copy the levels that I set on my trading view. So we're going to just move our previous day high over there. That's still a previous London high from pre-market the day before. So the value area high is 64.15.50. 64.15.50. Go. Alright, point of control 64.10.25. Go. Value area low 64.01.50. And then the previous day low.
Music licensing reimagined.
Just right about there. Is that it? 6. Right at the 6:30 mark there. Yeah, so this will be our previous day level right there. All right, so now we're set up for the next trading day.